Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, July 31st, 2025. Guys, it's the end of the month. We're here to focus on one thing only, the process. Not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focus on the process. Patience, discipline, execution. We control, we control. The rest is out of our hands. We let that take care of itself. So let's see what trades we take today. All right, guys, just got the order fill there. Kind of missed it. I wasn't able to record it, but here we are. First trade of the day is NQ long. As you guys see here, change of state of delivery happen on this up move right here. Boom. You see this line? There was a gap down here. I waited for price to pull back into it. Boom. Stop losses at this minor swing pivot right here. Boom. And again, guys, we do not control the outcome of this trade. All we control is making sure we're available and making sure we take the trade, managing our risk, managing our emotions, managing the expectation that we understand that this trade is all random. Even though we've had a pretty nice winning streak, doesn't mean this one's going to be a winner as well. So we are in it. Now we're just accepting the randomness, and we'll see how it all wants to play out. We'll be back.
Stop filled.
Alright guys, there you guys have it. -1R right there. It is what it is, right? We expect the losers. We're okay with the losers. We understand that trading is going to have losers. Now, we wait for the next valid setup, and we'll see what we can get. So I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you guys shortly.
Order filled.
Order filled. Alright guys, so we are in another long. Here, you guys can see changes to deliver happen here. Boom, closed above. It is a gap right there. You guys can see my little green box right there. It is a gap. And we are in on the long. Again, guys, I don't control the trade. I was trying to look for shorts this whole down move. Wasn't able to get any single fills until right now. This was the only valid setup that presented itself. And again, if it presents itself, if it's valid, I need to make myself available to make sure I jump in on the trade. The outcome of it is random. The process is not, guys. So we're going to see how this one plays out, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. All right, guys, we're pretty close to getting stopped out here, as you guys can see. About 3 points away, 4 points away. Just wanted to record it.
Stop filled.
There you guys have it. That was another stop loss, guys. Hey, I don't control the trade. I don't control the direction. I'm just making sure I am available whenever the trade presents itself. The outcome, guys, it's all randomness. All right, so we'll be back. We still have time. After this break of structure here, boom, left a gap here. Again, I keep thinking it's too far gone. It's too far gone. But hey, this is a valid setup. If we get a pullback back into here, we'll be interested in taking it. Just got to make myself available, right? I'll be back and I'll update you guys, see if we could take any trades before lunchtime. All right, guys, so we had this order for potential short setup to go back down. We went ahead. We're going to cancel that. As you guys see here, it's 8:30 in the morning. You guys know I take my lunch break from 8:30 to 10. Don't trade. Don't do nothing on the charts for that time. I am heading into the office, heading into work, and I won't be at the charts to be able to record the next setups if I do take anything in the PM session. Currently, we're down -2R, 2 trades, both losers. Emotions are pretty well in check. I understand that my strategy, my probabilities, long-term, they'll all play out. Just got to make sure I'm making myself available whenever the trade presents itself, and that's all we can do, right? So I'll be back, I guess, after work, and I'll update you guys how the day played out. All right, guys, we're back. Been a long day at work. Had to get some stuff done. Just got back, as you guys see up here on the time, 5:49 p.m. Been a long day. Ended up taking up 2 more trades after the lunchtime window. You guys see here, the lunchtime don't trade window. Market just sold off pretty strong there, pretty aggressively. I think it was like a 200-point move, 270-point move after lunchtime. I tried catching a couple of these shorts, but price wasn't pulling back, wasn't giving any fills. And then I knew when it was going to give me a setup for the long. Or I knew when it gave me the setup for the short, it was most likely not going to end up working. But again, guys, I got to make myself available and making sure I take the trade. So this was the trade I took. This was the valid long, or the valid short. As you guys see here, another change of state delivery here. Basically continuation trade, boom. A gap was right here, formed. Price came back, pulled into it. You guys see here, this is let me delete this one. This was for a long setup. Here, this was the short I got in here, and as you guys see, got stopped out pretty quickly. So that was another loser. So at the day, that was 3 trades, -3R. And here was the final trade of the day, was a short. If you guys see here, per my rules, this is change of state deliver right here. Boom. Got a continuation move here on this close below. You guys see here, on this close below with this nice decent sized gap. Waited for price to pull back into it. Once price pulled back into it, we were in. Price came about 2 points away from stopping me out right here. As you guys see, pretty close. The little wick, 2 points away from stopping me out, and then thankfully it sold off and went in my favor, and ended up working for a full +2R. So overall, I'll show you guys the counts, Apex counts. Don't want to go through all the other accounts, just show you here. You can't see the total amount for the day, but it was just $100. You'll see it right now. The drawdown, I'll show you all the counts here, the rest of the counts here. I'll show you today's trades. As you guys see here, 4 trades, 1 winner. 3 losers. Ended up the day minus 1R, minus $100-ish. Here you guys can see the total executions here. Pretty quick on those losers, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Then the last trade was a winner. Ended up for 26 minutes. All right, guys, there you have it. Just want to make this one a quick one. Been a long day with work, making sure I'm accountable, making sure I'm staying disciplined, and making sure I upload the videos regardless of what it was. I could have just came back tomorrow and told you guys what I did. True, but making sure I upload and just want to continue posting my journey, continue seeing how I'm getting better or how I'm getting worse, and having all this for me to look back on after it's all said and done. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.